Hi class, I just wanted to review what I talked about last week. Again, I've gotten some emails, so I want to make sure you know this is an Adobe Premiere editing class. You have to use Premiere, it's a requirement. It says so in your syllabus, and it also says so in last week's lecture, and then this week's we're going to say you're going to use the Adobe Creative Cloud. That is the Premiere suite. It's for students, I think $20 a month. You can do a free 14-day trial to see, but it's then charged $20 a month. If you have access to BCTC's campus, I can sign you up to use our editing lab. That way you do have access if you don't have Premiere and don't have the means to have the edit software at home. One thing I want to highlight is the help site for Premiere. I may not teach in a style that you need to learn from, so you will have links to Adobe Premiere and walk you through how to do something if what I do or how I demonstrate it is not helpful to you. I will also always be available to answer your questions. I always answer within 24 hours, unless it's the weekend, then you might have to have a little more of a delay. And you can request at any time Zoom or Teams, and we can share screens and go over. If you need to meet in person, I am more than happy to arrange that, meet you in our edit lab at BCTC. So I am willing to work with you, however this makes this the best learning experience for you. Let's talk about cameras for just a second. You will start having some projects that you do film. You can do this with your phone. Just make sure you're filming it horizontally, not vertically, up and down. You want sideways. But if you don't have access to a phone and you would like to check out a camera, we do have some lower end consumer level cameras that you can check out. I don't have enough for everyone in the class to have one, but we can rotate it and make it work. If you do need a camera, you can check it out for a couple of days from BCTC. This is this type of cameras we have to check out, so they're a consumer level camera, but it'll help you get your projects done. You have commercials, music video, and your final project would be something that you film yourself. Just a side note, if you are looking to invest in a camera, I love the Canons. You can look at the Rebels, you can look at the 5Ds, you can even look at the C100s. It's up to you, but if you ask me for camera recommendations, the 5D is a really versatile camera. You can take stills and video, and it has a beautiful image. The audio is not great, but for this class we don't necessarily grade you on audio. If this is something you're very interested in, looking at cameras, Video Maker is a great site to look at what you're looking to invest in. It gives you breakdowns of what's new and what's they recommend for this year. For 2020, there are a lot of people, because of upgrading cameras or phasing out of shooting, you can find a lot of great used cameras on sale from anywhere from eBay. B&H has certified used cameras. There's just tons of sites. If you just look up used video cameras, that will come up, because businesses will sell their old equipment as they upgrade. But this again is something on your own. You do not have to purchase a camera for this class. The only thing that you have to have for this class is Adobe Premiere.